Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me HP Tango X exclusive, and now I'm gonna show you how to set it up with your HP Smart application. To do that, firstly you should download and install HP Smart app. So just open the Play Store, find here HP, and the first thing you will see is HP Smart. Download it and open it. Then log in to your account. I've logged in to my account. Cool. Then here, then we should plug in our printer to the electricity. Plug it in, and here, as you can see, the LED is shiny. If it's not, press on the If it's not, just press on the power button on the reverse of your printer. So here, as you can see, we have the power button. Press it if it's not lighting automatically. And now just wait a while. Now we just should wait for about 1 minute till you will hear the sounds. Okay, as you can see now, the lights on our printer is blue, and now we can open our HP Smart application. Click plus button on the right top corner, and here find new printer. Click on it. And here, as you can see, you will automatically see HP Tango printer. Click on it. Click yes. Wait a while. Here, find the network you want to connect your printer to. This printer supports 2.4 GHz networks and 5 GHz networks. Then click Next. Okay, as you can see, setup complete. This accessory joined. Click Done. Wait a while. Click Accept All or this line optional data, for example. Check the language, country or region. In my case, it's Poland. Click Continue. Continue. Now lift the lid, and it will show you how to load the paper. So here I'm gonna show you. Wait a while. As you can see, here we have these elements, and using this element we can change the size of loading paper. For example, this is for A4 paper. This for envelopes or small cards. Here is for A5, no, maybe not for A5. This is for A5 maybe, and this is for A4 paper sheets. So I wanna load several A4 cards in this way, and as you can see, right now A4 cards are loaded, and on my phone, as you can see, I have notification that paper loaded. Now let's install, see what next. Okay, here click Continue. Time to install inks. So how to do that? So we should open the cover. To do that, as you can see here, we have maybe not the button but the place where we can press. So press it and we can open the cover in this way. And here is the standard ink place. Here we can use only HP 303 inks for this printer, and just load the 303 inks to this printer, to these places, close the cover, and cool, now you can print. Unfortunately, I have no inks, so I can't show you the printing process, but after installing and loading the inks, you can print. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you.